Hey, so today I just wanted to make a quick video on how you can use wild bird seed as a cover crop. This is an experiment for me, but the bird seed is really cheap and it has some value added to it with minerals. Not much, but I'm really after creating some biomass and as cheap as I can. So here's kind of what's in the bird seed. Gives you a breakdown. It's mostly millet, wheat, and a couple other things, but sunflowers. This is the area where I'm going to be using the cover crop. This was previously part of, I had some trees planted here, but due to it possibly being used for something else here in the future, in the meantime, I'm going to grow some biomass. Here I'm showing some where I broadcasted the seed. I've already broadcasted in this area, and it's starting to sprout, as you can see right here. I try to get a better close-up image. Try not to show my gross hands, but we had a really good rain yesterday, so it's already started to sprout. This is from the other side of the yard. This will all be where I'm growing the cover crop. And I'm really excited to see how it turns out, so stay tuned.